Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to Honeycrunch 321. Last February 11, 2021, Posh Nails held a Love Your Nails giveaway on Instagram. And then on Valentine's Day, they've announced the lucky winner. And it was me! I think this year's Valentine's Day is the best Valentine's Day ever. Thank you so much, Posh Nails! Then 6 days later, I received my prizes. Look at how securely bubble wrapped the prizes are. And this is the box. It's also sealed with a Posh Nails sticker. And here it is. Now let me show you the products that are inside Nail the Day Kit by Posh Nails. By the way, you can get yours on poshnails.com.ph or on Posh Nails' Shopee. The links will be available on the description box below. On the box, it says, "More than just a perfect coat of polish, confidence at your fingertips. Here to nail the day." First we have is the super pretty holographic resealable bag. I'll surely keep this bag too. We have a nail brush, nail file, buffing block, hangnail clipper, nail pusher, Cute Tickles Cuticle Oil Pen, and a mist sprayer. Then we have Next Please Nail Polish Remover by Posh Nails. It is said that this is acetone free and it smells like cotton candy. Then we have Clip It Clean, a 2-piece nail clipper set by Posh Nails. Next is a touch-up brush. Then we have a translucent bag from Posh Nails. This kit also contains a step-by-step guide. An adorable thank you card, and at the back of it, you can use it as a nail fee background. Then some cute and stylish stickers to decorate your own Nail the Day kit. Then I also received a Happy Skin and Posh Nails Express Gel Polish Limited Edition collection. And it's in a stylish box like this. You can see the shade names on top of the box. Now let's open it. And we have the shades TLC, Luxe, Pampered, and Posh. I'm loving that all of the bottles are sealed. And that's all of the prizes that I received from Posh Nails. Once again, thank you so much Posh Nails and Miss Kat Ilacad for all of these amazing prizes. I cannot wait to pamper my nails with Nail the Day kit and use Happy Skin and Posh Nails Express Gel Polish Limited Edition collection. Check out Posh Nails on Instagram. If you want to try out Nail the Day kit and their nail polishes, you can shop at their official Shopee. I'll be leaving the links below, so don't forget to check it out. Which video should I do first? A swatch and review for the limited edition nail polish collection, or a nail care pampering video with Posh Nails' Nail the Day kit? Don't forget to participate in the poll in this video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!